Friends, I am Sushant Khandekar. Now you are watching Talent Development. Today we are learn 5th standard maths chapter number 4 multiplication. Multiplying a given number by a 3-digit number. Today we are learn the multiplication by a 3-digit number. So we saw an example. There is an example on your blackboard. There are 754 students in our school. If one child's uniform cost is 368 rupees, what will be the cost of the uniform for all the children in the school? So I will write this number in this table. The one cost of the uniform is equal to 368 and the total children are 754. So what will the cost of all the children's uniform? So we will do the multiplication. 754 multiplied by 368. Okay. Then first you multiply 754 by 8 units. 754 into 8 is equal to 632. Okay, we solve this example. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. I write to here and 3 carried forward. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 40 plus 3, 43. 43. I write 3 here and 4 carried forward. Okay, 8 into 7 is equal to 56 plus 4 is equal to 60. Okay, I will got this value 632. I write this value in this place here. Okay, then I multiply 754 into 6 tens. 6 tens means 60. For this multiplication, I will got 44,240. We solve this example. First, I will put this 0 here. Then, I multiply 754 by 6. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. I write 4 here and 2 carried forward. 6 into 5, 30 plus 2, 32. Okay, 3 carried forward. 6 into 7 is equal to 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. Okay, we will got this value 45,240. I will write this value in this place. Okay. Okay. Then I multiply 754 by 300. 300s. Okay. Then I will got 2,26,200. Okay, we will solve this example. First I put this 0 below here. Then remaining 3. Here is remaining 3. Okay, I multiply 754 by 3. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 1 carried forward. 3 into 5 is 15 plus 1 16. I write 6 here and 1 carried forward. 3 into 7 is equal to 21 plus 1 22. Okay, then I will got 2,26,200. Okay, I put this value here. Okay, then there I will got the 3 values. Then you added 3 values. Then you will got 2,27,472. Okay, we will see this the addition. 2 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 2. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 0 plus 2 is equal to 4. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 plus 6 equal to 7. 1 carried forward. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 2 7 and 2 here. Okay, we'll got 2,77,472. Okay, the total cost of the uniform is 2,77,472. Okay. First I multiply 3,422 into 7. Okay, we solve the multiplication here. 3,429 multiplied by 7. Okay, 7 into 9 is equal to 63. Okay, I write 3 here and 6 carried forward. 7 into 2 is equal to 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. 0 here and 2 carried forward. 7 plus 4, 7 into 4, 7 into 4, 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. I write 0 here and 3 carried forward. Then 7 into 3 is equal to 21 plus 3 is equal to 24. So I will got this value 24,003. I write this value here. Then I multiply 3,429 into 0. Multiply any numbers by 0, you will got the value is 0. Okay, then you multiply 3,429 by 500s. Okay, you got this value is equal to 70,40,14,500. We solve this example. First you put this 0, then there is remaining 5. Okay, then 3,429 multiplied by 5. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. I write 5 here and 4 carried forward. Here is 5 into 2 is equal to 10 plus 4, 14. 4 here and 1 carried forward. 5 into 4 is equal to 20 plus 1, 21. 1 here, 2 carried forward. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Okay, I will got 17,14,500. Okay, we will write this number here. Okay, then I will got the 3 values. Then they add this value, we will got the answer 70,38,503. Okay, 3 plus 0 equal to 3. 0 0 0, okay, is equal to 0. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 4 plus 0 4 plus 4 8. Okay, 2 plus 0 2 plus 1 3. Okay, 7 here and 1 here. Okay, then we will got the value 7,38,503. Okay, there is a right answer. Then we will solve another example. The example is on your blackboard. A shopkeeper bought 78 TV sets for 25,634 rupees each. What is their total cost? Okay, the one TV's cost is 25,634. Then we will calculate the 78 TV sets value. Then what are you doing? You multiply 25,634 by 78. Okay, I will write this value in this table. Okay, first I multiply by 8, then I multiply by 7 tens. Multiply by 8 units, then you will got 2,572. We solve this example. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Okay, 2 here, 3 carried forward. 8 into 3, 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. 7 here, 2 carried forward. 8 into 6 is equal to 48 plus 0 is equal to 50. 5 carried forward. 8 into 5 is equal to 40 plus 5, 45. 5 here and 4 carried forward. 8 into 2 is equal to 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Okay, we will got 2,05,072. We will write this value here. Then I will multiply 25,634 by 7 tens. 7 tens means 70. Okay, first I put this 0 here, then I multiply by 7. Okay, 7 into 4 is equal to 28. I write 8 here and 2 carried forward. 7 into 3, 21 plus 2, 23. 3 here, 2 carried forward. 7 into 6 is equal to 42 plus 2 is equal to 44. 4, I write 4 here and 4 carried forward. Okay, then 7 into 5 is equal to 10. 35 plus 4 is equal to 39. 9 here and 3 carried forward. Okay, 7 into 2 is equal to 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Okay, we will got 17,94,380. We will write this value in this place. Then we will added this value, then we will got the answer of this question, 99,452. Okay, we will solve this example. 2 plus 0 is equal to, okay, 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Okay, 5 here, 1 carried forward. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 equal to 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 here. Okay, the answer of this, the total cost of the 78 TVs are 19,99,452 rupees.